Petpooja Marketplace. After onboarding yourself onto Petpooja, you'll have access to Owner's Dashboard, inside which you'll find a section known as Marketplace. Marketplace will contain all the add-on products which can help you or which are essential to you for smoothing your operations. On this page, there are two sections of products and services available. The first one being Petpooja Products and Services, where all the products and services are created by the Petpooja team and posted there as an add-on product. The other section consists of third-party products and services. These products are developed by different companies and are interlinked with our software, so the data flow becomes smooth and your operations also becomes smooth. One can proceed to buy this product individually, or you can also opt for our bundled packages which are available on our website. You can access Marketplace by logging onto your Owner's Dashboard and going to Marketplace section. There are three sections visible here. The first one being Services, the second one being Integrations, and the third one being Active Subscription. Let us explore the Service section first. Whenever there's a product which is not activated inside your portal, it will have a Explore Now button. All the inactive products will be displayed as inactive, and all the activated products will have this radio button of activated. After that, you'll also be able to see how many days are left in your subscription package. We'll click on a new product which is not activated. As you can see here, this is already included in my plan, so I can click here and activate the product. But if there's a product which is not included in my plan, then that will be displayed like so. On the product page, you'll be able to see all the details regarding the product. You can click on I'm interested, and our team will contact you for assisting you with the purchasing process. Once the product is activated, you can customize the settings for the same product through this page. All your active subscriptions will be displayed on this page, where you will be able to find the expiry details of your subscription plans and renew the same with a click of a button. In the Integrations section, you will be able to see all the third-party companies which have integrated or interlinked their product with us, so that your operational data flow becomes very smooth. This was all about Petpooja Marketplace. Thank you.